Alright, I have prepared these shrink tubes here, which we are going to use. Prepare this first, as many as you can, or in this case I am more using on the blue sleeve, so I have cut more on the blue shrink tubes. Now I've cut this to with a size of 1 centimeter, but you can do as you please, you know, with any length, right? Right, that goes into the plastic. Alright, now, sorry for the messy table. Quite busy here for the event for CEBU Pipeline and for Arcon next month for October. So here you can see the 24 pin of, let me adjust the video, 24 pin of a power supply, Silverstone power supply. And when you sleeve this one, first you have to cut the old sleeves here. So here's my gardening scissor. So that's the purpose of the sharp edge, right? And then cut through. You must be very careful because you might be cutting the wires inside. Alright, so there. Alright. Okay, cut through. Alright. Now, in sleeving, 24 pin, you sleeve on the side where it connects to your motherboard. So you can see here that the if you can see here, the other 4 pin is the 20 pin, and then plus the 4 pin, so this makes it 24 pin, right? Now when you sleeve, see to it that this plastic lock is facing towards you, right? Now I have specific instructions from a customer from Mace. Issued the oath of CEBU that this part here will be all white, right? So that goes there, the motherboard. Now the rest will be blue. Now let's start off here. Okay, this end of the 24 pin has a take note that there's a vacant position for the pin. Okay, so that's on the 5th. That's always on the 5th. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But on the other side, it's complete. Okay, let's have a close up. Okay. Alright, I hope that's clear. Why? Because here it's complete, here it's not, because here and here there are 2 wires. Alright, there are 2 wires here. So you will be sleeving. You can start on any wires on this side, but this part will be the last wire to be sleeved, because we're going to sleeve on the other side. If this with this wires here. So this will be the last one. So let's proceed in sleeving this one. All right. Now again, just a reminder that this clip should be facing you. All right, the lock. Okay, now get this tool here, and then clip on with your long nose plier. Okay, and then slide it on the side. If you're going to get the black one here, okay, insert, then force it down. Then you will hear a click or felt a tap on the plastic, means that the lock is free. Okay, then there you go. That's the simplest thing. Before I use Sunbeam, what's available here is the Sunbeam sleeving toolkit, but no, it's not so good because it will just be bent, or worse is it cracks. Now after you have got the wire, you have to untangle the wires, because you know, as you can see, it's all tangled up. Okay. Okay, now I forgot to mention that you need a masking tape. Okay, now this thing here, okay, you can see that there's a protruding part of the wire with this what you call this pin, this pin. Now that's the one that you're going to cover. So that it will be easy for the Wire sleeves, which is, by the way, it's 3 mm in diameter. Okay, and then get the blue sleeves. Let's get some blue sleeves here. Alright. Okay. Now this, you can cut this here, or you can use a snip to cut the end of it. Now insert this one to the wire. Okay, now when you slide it in, this 3 mm Wire sleeves is easy to insert it because it has good space. Then you just push, find the end of the pin, right, and just push using your right hand, and then hold it with your index and your thumb, and you release here, so it will just slide down the wire, right? Now your wires, we did not cut it according to the wire length, because each wires differs length. So let's push some more. Alright, now it has reached the other end of the wire. Then just hold it and then slide the sleeves towards the other end so that there will be no excess, and you find the edge or the tip of the pin, and then here you can also find the hard part, or the one that is clipped. With this pin there is a clip clipping the wire, and then there's when you use your nail to press, there's a part here that is already soft after this part. Alright, so that's the one that you're going to cut, but do not cut your wire, only the sleeves. Be careful with the this scissor, because it will hurt your index finger. Then just punch it through the sleeve, right, and cut. That's your mark. Now pull the other end. Pull here like that, and slide it to the other side. And that's the time you find your marker here. All right, here you go. And let's cut it off. Right. I'm comfortable using this one because I can, most especially if there's wind around. So just slide it back, slide it there, and get this masking tape. You can still use this for the next 5 wires. Get your shrink tube, blue shrink tube. Right. Yeah, just we can place it here. Okay. Put it there. Now, since it is a 1 centimeter long shrink tubes, let's place this one at the middle of the. Let's place the end of the wren sleeves at the middle of the shrink tube. Okay, and you can feel that with your nail, right? And that's the time that you use your torch there. I hope you can see it. Let's adjust it. Alright. Sorry about that. There you go. Alright. Now it's ready. But before inserting that to your plastic, to the plastic of the 24 pin, we're going to get the lock out. Okay, just slide your cutter like that. Do not twist your cutter like this, or your pins, lock pins, will be destroyed or will be cut. So just slide it. Alright, and again, as I have told you, you must the one that is being wrapped around by the tape, is the one that is facing you, so that it will now lock. Alright. Okay, so that's how you're going to sleeve your 24 pin.